What is the exclusionary rule in illegal search cases? Imagine you're pulled over by police and they search your car without a warrant or your permission. If they find something illegal, can they use it against you in court? This is where the exclusionary rule comes into play. It is a legal principle that stops evidence obtained through illegal searches or seizures from being used in a criminal trial. The rule is based on the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution, which protects people from unreasonable searches and seizures. When law enforcement officers conduct a search without a proper warrant, probable cause, or if they use false information to get a warrant, any evidence they find is considered illegally obtained. The exclusionary rule says that such evidence cannot be presented to the jury. This helps prevent police from violating constitutional rights and encourages them to follow proper procedures. The rule doesn't just apply to the direct evidence found during an illegal search. It also covers any additional evidence that comes from the initial illegal search, often called the fruit of the poisonous tree. For example, if police find drugs during an illegal search and then find more drugs after following up on that evidence, the second set of evidence can also be excluded. This discourages misconduct and promotes respect for legal boundaries. From a defense perspective, the exclusionary rule is a powerful tool. Defendants can file a motion to suppress the illegally obtained evidence. If the court agrees, that evidence cannot be shown to the jury, which can weaken the prosecution's case significantly or even lead to charges being dropped. However, there are some exceptions to the rule. The good faith exception allows evidence if police believed their search was lawful, even if it was later found to be defective. The independent source doctrine lets evidence be used if it was obtained through lawful means, even if it was first discovered illegally. The inevitable discovery doctrine permits evidence that would have been found legally later on to be admitted, despite the initial illegal search. These exceptions show that the exclusionary rule mainly aims to deter police misconduct rather than punish mistakes. Its main goal is to ensure that law enforcement respects constitutional rights during investigations. It protects individuals' privacy and prevents the government from benefiting from illegal actions in court. In summary, the exclusionary rule is a key part of defending your rights. It helps keep searches and seizures fair and lawful, making sure that evidence used in court is collected within the limits of the law.